Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower dish rack assembly in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower dish rack assembly. The lower dish rack assembly is used for storing large plates and pots and could be conveniently rolled in and out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it gets corroded and starts breaking apart, leaving ugly spots on the dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Next, we're going to pull out the lower dish rack. And then we're going to pull out the silverware basket. And now we can take out the lower dish rack. This is the old lower dish rack assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to place a new lower dish rack on the door. And now we're going to install the silverware basket. We're going to pull this dish rack in, and we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.